Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. So guys, on this video we are going to be making jollof. Yes, so over here is my scotch bonnet pepper. I have some dried tatashe and some fresh tatashe here. So the dry ones are in there, so I'm going to be blending them. So the next on my list is my garlic. I have some garlic there. I also have some ginger in there. Over here is my jollof signature, so I'm going to be adding my jollof signature to it. And over here is my onions. Yeah, so I've already diced these onions. So what I'm going to be doing now is just to blend my tomatoes, my fresh tatashe and the scotch bonnet pepper together while we go ahead to make our delicious jollof rice. So I'm going to be adding my oil into it. This is groundnut oil, guys, so I drill it out from stew. So our oil is hot now, so I'm going to be adding, starting with my ginger, garlic, and the next I'm going to be adding is my onions. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my tomato paste. So I'm going to be adding my tomato paste in there. So I'm going to continue to give it a stir. I'm going to be adding some bay leaves to it. I'm going to allow it to fry before adding our blended tatashe to it. So guys, at this juncture I'm going to be adding my blended pepper into it. So guys, at this junction I'm going to be adding my jollof signature to it, and I'm also going to be adding other spices. And just give it a nice stir. So I'm going ahead to wash my rice. So I'm going to wash my rice, then just add it, to it. guys, it's time to make our jollof. So I've just finished, washing my rice. If you want to know how I wash this rice, I'm going to leave the link on this video because I already have a separate video for that, how you can wash your jollof rice, and can wash your rice for jollof and fried rice. So I'm going to be linking the link of that video on my description box. Feel free to check it out. So while we go ahead and mix. So I'm making a large quantity, so that is why I'm using this to mix. So you can also use your pot, it depends on the quantity you are making, because this order is going out right away in the evening for a birthday party. So I'm going to be using about 2 big pots for this recipe. So I just want to make sure everything is well combined together. So I will link that video of how to clean your rice, or I think it was how to wash your rice, perfect rice. I already have a separate video for that. Feel free to check it out. Okay. So I need to combine it very well because there are still some parts that have not properly combined. So guys, our jollof rice is almost ready, guys. So over here is the other pot. So this is 1 cooler. These 2 pots is going to give me 1 cooler, exactly 1 cooler is what these 2 pots are going to give to me. This jollof rice is so delicious. And if you live around Usala, my city, or anywhere you want us to make your occasion beautiful, feel free to contact us. We are available for business. Yeah, that is it. And if today is your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share and patronize your girl. Thank you also so much. See you guys on my next video. Bye.